Hello, and welcome to today's presentation for Jazz for Justice 2021. And we are live today with our hospitality sponsor, Morgan Law Group, and our marketing manager, Caitlin Jacqueline. Welcome,
Hi.
Caitlin.
Hi. Thanks
Hi.
for having me.
Absolutely. We are so happy to have you, and we're so grateful to the Morgan Law Group. They really do make an effort to be part of the Pensacola community, and we are so grateful to be one of the organizations that you guys support. And I'd really love to know a little bit about why you guys choose to support legal services of North Florida through Jazz for Justice.
Sure. So, yeah, as you just mentioned, we do various things in the Pensacola community to just kind of show our support and give back to the local organizations. But we picked this one in specific just because your mission is to really help victims and people that can't really or necessarily afford to get an attorney when they need help with domestic violence or you know tax relief or property damage that they're having landlord tenant issues or being evicted, and that's kind of something that our firm helps people with as well, so it really ties our mission together, and we just love to support and give back. I mean, who doesn't want to support victims and help people? So
No, that's great. It's true. And it's really because of partners like you guys and pro bono attorneys who help fill in those gaps when we need it. And everything from answering a phone call to taking a case to supporting events like this makes an enormous impact to the work we do in North Florida. But let's get back to Jazz for Justice. So, what with Morgan Law Group in particular, what are you guys excited about when it comes to Jazz for Justice?
So, I mean, we're excited, a day in the community to just come out and listen to some music, enjoy some food and wine and beer, and just kind of, support Jazz for Justice and kind of be together as a whole with the other attorneys and who support you guys as well. And yeah, just looking forward to a day of fun. So,
That sounds awesome. And it is. It's going to be a lot of fun. We've got lots of great activities starting at 1 p.m. all the way to 7 p.m. and beyond. We're really excited to bring in some really awesome bands, actually. In particular, we're excited with our two co-headliners. I'm sure you're excited too, because I've heard you've done some traveling. We're
yeah.
bringing in two New Orleans bands, New Breed Brass Band, and Tuba Skinny. So tell me a little bit. You were just telling me earlier how you've been traveling to New Orleans recently.
Yeah, so our firm actually, we just expanded into Louisiana and opened an office in Mandeville to help Hurricane Ida victims with their insurance claims. So hence that, we've been there doing events, and we sponsored a concert actually last weekend, or I guess 2 days ago, not really last weekend, but for Hurricane Ida victims in Lafayette. So we've just been going back and forth there a lot. So it's nice to have some New Orleans bands come to Florida. So all ties
Absolutely.
together.
We were, after that storm came through, we communicated with the musicians, and they were just absolutely wonderful and still excited to be part of this event. And we are, excuse me, so excited to have them and bring that energy to Pensacola. We know Pensacola loves their jazz music, and we're just excited to be part of that energy that they bring to the table. So, there's a lot that is happening during Fufu Fest. And, I'd love to kind of talk a little bit about what else, we, Jazz for Justice is one of the many events happening over the course of these few weeks. We're right in the middle of it. We're the second week. We've got through the end of Sunday, and that's it. But there's still a lot of activities going on. And in particular, we've got, if you go to fufufest.com, you've got the Gulf Coast Quilt Trail is going on, the Songwriters Festival, the Egg Fest, all kinds of activities. And then, of course, on Sunday, everyone's going to come out to Jazz for Justice to enjoy enjoy the rest of the event. But when it comes to the event itself and what you guys are hosting, I'd love for you to tell me a little bit about what the experience is going to be like for those in the hospitality
Sure.
tent.
Yeah, so we're hosting the as you mentioned the hospitality area. So it's basically just a VIP tent that'll be sectioned off with food and drink tickets, and there'll be a platform area for the attendees there to be able to actually see the stage and kind of mingle amongst themselves. And we'll actually have a table set up there as well where our attorney John Mahoney and some of our other staff will be, so you can actually stop by and meet our team and pick up some free swag. And John used to do some work with Legal Services of North Florida a few years ago. Actually helped after Hurricane Michael, so he's a big supporter and he's really excited about it. So he'll be there, ready to meet people. So should be a fun day.
It is, it is. And, unfortunately, the VIP tickets are sold out, but we still do have some reserved tickets available, which means that you are guaranteed a spot and a drink ticket on us. And
Yeah.
we'd love, if you're interested, you can go to jazzforjustice.org. It's scrolling at the bottom of the screen, and they're available as long as they're available. So we don't guarantee there's only so many spots, but we would love to have you guys come out. In addition to the music, we're going to have some family friendly activities, and Gallery Night Pensacola is going to have some tents set up as well where you can peruse some of the local art and whatnot. So is there anything else you guys would like to add, Caitlin?
Um, I guess, just thank you to everyone else for supporting Jazz for Justice. And I know we're really excited about it and looking forward to it. And I hope everyone else is. And we'll see you guys on Sunday. So,
Awesome, Caitlin. I really appreciate it. I want to say a huge thank you to Caitlin for joining us today, and an enormous thank you to Morgan Law Group for y'all's incredible support for Jazz for Justice 2021. And we look forward to seeing you guys all there on Sunday.
yep.
Bye,
Thank you for
everyone.
having me. Bye.